I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to export a video frame as a photo using the CapCut mobile app. First, you can use the CapCut mobile app to export a frame from any video as a photo as long as that video is saved to your device's camera roll or photo gallery. If you already have the video saved to your device, great. If you want to export a frame from a CapCut video you're currently editing, you'll need to save it to your device first. Let's quickly walk through the steps to do that. Step 1. Open the CapCut app and then tap to open the project you're editing. Step 2. Tap Export at the top of this screen. That video will be saved to your device's photo gallery or camera roll. Now, let's move forward with exporting a video frame as a photo from your saved video. Step 1. Open the CapCut mobile app, scroll down to the Popular Tools section, and then tap All Tools in this section. The associated menu opens. Step 2. Navigate to the Quick Actions section and then tap Frame Capture. A screen opens that will show you your saved videos that you can choose to export a photo from. Step 3. Tap to select the video you want to export a video frame as a photo from and then tap Next. Your video opens. Step 4. Navigate to the part of the video that you want to export as a photo and then tap Capture. You'll see that image added to the Frames Captured section. Step 5. After you're done capturing images from your video, tap Export. Your selected frames from that video will be saved to your device's camera roll or photo gallery. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.